How to make smooth slow motion videos on CapCut PC. So if you want to make smooth slow motion videos on your CapCut PC, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Once you've opened your CapCut, now you need to simply choose or open a project, a new project. And once you've choose your project and click on export, and then you can simply choose a video. Open up the video, drag that video to the bottom, and here you will have this video, right? So this man is walking like this. So if you want to slow this video or if you want to fast this video, then what you can do is simply go for the upper right. First select the video and then go for the upper right, which has that speed option. Click on speed, and then you can go for the 2x or 5x. So here you can see that this man has video with the 5x speed. So if you want to slow that video, then here you can choose this much, 0.5x, and now you can see that the video is on slow motion. And now you can click on smooth slow-mo, and once you click on that, now your slow-mo will be smooth. So that's how you can make smooth slow motion videos on CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.